Well, hello there. Hope you had a fruitful day. Yes. So today I started off by marking off my buy side and sell side liquidity, since there is where we are going to have a draw on liquidity. Yeah, and the price is trading at the equilibrium of us for now. Yes, is it at the equilibrium of the premium? Somewhere there. Yeah, we are trading somewhere there. And let me see if I can pull this Fibonacci hole. Yeah, where's the 50% mark? Well, yeah, we are trading at the equilibrium. Yes, we are trading at the equilibrium. Yeah, the green one. Yeah, the equilibrium. So the price is that's what I wanted to mean. So with that, we know that what happens most of the time when we are the equilibrium, most of the time the price tends to go down, then continue pushing up, just as what was observed on Friday. Yeah, that's what the price did. We were trading at the equilibrium and the price price first went down and continue pushing up. So we just wait and see what is going to happen. Yeah. So on the 4 hour, there's a lot of interesting things that is happening over here. Price is trading inside this order block, and we have this order block broken, so we might as well get rid of it. So just a moment. Yes, as I was saying, is better off we get rid of it, since this candle over here closed above it. So at the moment of the 4 hour, we are trading above this, inside this OB. Most of the time what we tend to see is the market tends to sell off when we are having a bearish and some bearish order blocks. We tend to sell off, but that is to be seen, since we had this invalid buy yesterday from this order block over here, and there's a possibility of us seeing a retest, price tapping onto this area and then continue pushing up. Yes, price tapping on this area, then continue pushing up. That is a possibility. It's a highly likely possibility. And yeah, that is what I'm seeing. The other thing that I'm seeing is the price comes and close back below this one. If you close below this OB over here, and maybe we grab some sell side liquidity, we may come and then retest this invalid orange entry, retest that, and then push up until this level over here where we had an invalid buy. This one is an invalid sell, this one is an invalid buy, and then we may see something like that. You see, if that happens, you see sell will be tap. We have a tap on sell liquidity. Then here we have the grab of the sell side liquidity, the continue pushing. Yeah, that is what these are the two scenarios that I have on the 4 hour, but we'll have to wait and see what the price is happening. in short, the market is lining up, but this possibility of happening, this has a high possibility of happening. So that, before we continue, the news, the fundamentals. So on the fundamentals, wait for this to align. So today we are pretty much having some, a lot of yellow folders, which may contribute. This yellow, a lot of these yellow folders, they may accumulate to make the price push either way. On 6 p.m. you're having ACM service PMI. Okay, so way over 8 p.m. there we'll be having FMC member bar speaking. So we have determined today's we have a lot of yellow folders which we need to watch out for. Price may start triggering out around, and from 10:45 to 11:15 to 11:45 to 11:50, that is UTC +3 Nairobi time. 12 p.m. 12 that. I mean, we'll be with these news are happening, and most not all of them are euro. So going to the 1 hour, heading up to the 1 hour, you're seeing that this supply is the one that is holding the price down. We are having a hold of the price down, which is really holding the price down. And today the higher time frames are the ones that are speaking. Also, we see on the 1 hour we had this left. This was left. It was invalid by yesterday, and since the price had a broke of this supply over here, we may see the retests. That's why we have a one hour buy retest, and that's why you see I'm having something like this. Continue pushing up. You just have to wait for what the price is going to do. But on the 1 hour, you're seeing that we are trading inside this bullish order block and trading also within this bearish order block or supply zone. The price may do something like this. If you create a 3 control from this level, I'm looking to sell when we break this level. See, a 3 control established from this level on the break of this demand zone over here. Just a moment. The break of this. So on the 30 minutes also, we are seeing that we are trading within this OB over here, and there was a couple of attempts to sell off, but the market, because of this OB over here, we cannot sell. Also on the 30 minutes we are introduced to the New York low. So we are having the introduction of this New York low. With the introduction of this New York low, we see that it is lining up with our 4 hour, where we are saying, so for me today my bias is mostly bullish, but that is yet to be seen. On the 15 minutes, we see we are starting to come into this bullish OB over here, and we are more likely to do what? Get a reversal from these levels over here. Continue pushing the price up. Okay. And the 5 minutes. Here we are going to see now the actual thing that's going to happen. Just a moment. Yes, on the 5 minutes we'll get to see what the price is actually going to do. So before we continue, I'd like to share the trade that I took. So I have managed to say that to set up my time well, and from today I'll be uploading on my second on the channel that is Kaeibo Journals. So you'll be seeing how the trade that I took and how I took them. And I'll be talking a little bit about the lessons that I have learned over the past few months. Yeah. So I'll be talking about quitting first of that. That is the first topic. Why, how, and when you should quit. So yesterday we did what I wanted it to do. So you see, we purge this one, yeah, taking out liquidity, and we had this 5 minutes, but I did not enter that place. I entered at this level over here with my stop loss at around this level, take profit this level. But what I did, I never managed to take the whole price. I got out of 5 pips. Why did I get out of 5 pips? Because of this fair value gap over here. It was a major fair value gap since we had this line created, but eventually price went ahead and gave out my full 10 pips. Also, another trade that I took, there's an invalid orange entry that was left behind over here, and yeah, I went ahead and took the sell with my stop loss at this level, and my take profit was 10 pips. That was my take profit. Also, this one coincided with the 30 minutes. Let's look at the 30 minutes. See, on the 30 minutes we had an invalid buy over here with a confirmation of a valid 30-minute orange. So you see, it was a coinciding 30 minutes. So I took that, and that was the trade that gave me good return. Also, after when I finished analyzing the chart, I saw that the price was all along targeting this invalid buy orange over here, so it was coming back to target here. So on the London session we targeted it, giving out around 17 pips. Also on the New York Open we came again, we tapped onto that level again, giving out around 25 pips. Yeah, interesting. That was a eye opening. So on the 5 minutes, we're seeing that the price is it's trading accordingly, and with the Asian side and the buy side over here and the New York low, for me to take a sell I will need the break of this order block that we are in, this demand and the New York low. See, break of this, break of this, break of this, the break of nothing. Yeah, also the break of these levels, man. But if you have the break of New York low, that is enough. Take a retest and continue pushing the price low. So it is not that enough. We may have liquidity grabs at this level at this moment. Yes, I wanted to put some things into perspective. We get to see that we are having a lot of OBs over here blocking the demand zone. There's so much, and there are a lot of order blocks that are hindering the price from pushing down. So not unless we have the break of those levels. I'm not sure. Also you see where the 1 hour buy retest is and the 4 hour, which is down below here, the retest is. We are establishing a 3-count rule from this level, but taking a sell is invalid. The orange entries may be good to continue pushing the price up. So this is what I'm saying. Taking out the Asian sell side, and maybe we can get a support from this level and push the price up as it coincides with the 1 hour buy and the 4 hour and the 4 hour what? The 4 hour retest, buy retest. Another thing is taking sales. I'm not sure about the sales. I'm not really sure about the sales. The only sales that I'm looking for is if you take out this, then yeah, that's the only sales that I'm looking for. Another sales may come into, I am not sure. I am not sure about the sales during the London session. During the London session, I'm not sure about the sales, and that we have to wait about. Since we are looking at this Asian buy side, if you say that we have a take of this, yeah, this price at least come to these levels. But when the price is coming to these levels, so at least you just take the buys. So just going to take the buys. Why wait all this leg for you to take the sells? You see, today buys are making more sense than the sells. Also, another thing, I don't want to be getting married to the buyers. I do not want to do that, so my bias needs to be flexible. It needs to change at any particular point at any level. So sales may come in as the order blocks print out, the demands and the supply zones print out, and the establishment of the 3-count rule. In short, what I'm trying to say is that I'll be waiting for the next step and buyers to print in auto inference, but what does the 3-count rule say? Wait for the confirmation, 5-minute clean traffic, buyers and buyers to print. On the 5-minute time frame, I'll check for the traffic. If I facilitate whether I will scale to the lower time frame. That's 1 minute. 5 minutes wait for confirmation, possible entry. Buyers print accordingly to the 3-count rule, and most of the importantly but not the least, wait for the higher time frame and the lower time frame synchronization of the charts, order block levels, and the 3-count rule. Last but not the least, always be present on the charts. So yeah, that's what's up, and have a beautiful trading day. Before I forget, today's trading nugget psychology is set realistic goals. Small, consistent profits over time are more sustainable than aiming for large and predictable gains. Thank you. Beautiful trading day. See you today on Kaeibo journals, as I'll be discussing the trades that I've taken within today's London session.